welcome back to Pizzazz Studios. This is Lori. Today I'm doing my collaboration video that I am collaborating with 4 other artists. We're all doing different type pours, but we're all using the same colors. And these are the colors we're going to use: white, turquoise, red, yellow, orange, and gold. You should go over to their channels as well after this and watch each one and see how theirs turned out. I'll have all the channels listed down in the description box. I'm going to do the a bloom. However, I'm not using a canvas. I'm using a cloth. It's 9 inches in diameter. I don't think I'm going to spin it completely out. My plan is to do one of my flower pours and embellish this after it's dry. As I said, I chose the bloom, and so I'm gonna start here. This is my Colorplace paint, and I did mix in some GAC 800 with it so that it has no issues when it comes to drying. Another reason I use the GAC 800, it does add some gloss to it. That's pretty well covered. Go ahead and give this a spin. Now I did just mix this up, so I do have a bunch of bubbles here. I'm gonna torch this. I'm gonna do a couple of my flowers here. I don't want to cover the whole thing in it. I want some negative space, so I think I'm gonna do one like up here and one over here. I'm gonna start right down here. Just put a little bit of white down there. First color I'm gonna lie down, Pebeo's Studio Acrylics paint called Iridescent Blue Green. And then I have Artist Loft Crimson, Liquitex Basics Primary Yellow, Artist's Loft Orange, and last but not least, DecoArt 24 Karat Gold. My cell activator today, I'm actually using Australian Floetrol. I'll have my recipe for my cell activator down below in the description box. So, all right. I'm just gonna leave it right there and just go for it. Looks pretty good. I don't have many bubbles at all, actually. This looks awesome. Very happy. Pardon my head. This looks really nice, though. I like these colors a lot. Very pretty, very pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do one, I think over here. I think I'm just gonna go the opposite side. So let me just turn this, and we'll do the same colors again. Okay guys, let's do this now. This is the cell activator. Whoops! A little too hard right there, and I got that overspray there when I blew out the orange and the gold. And it flew across on me there, but that's all right. Let's see what I can do here to correct that. I'm just using my hand to sort of try to pick up the paint. I'm wiping it off on a paper towel. And I'll put a little bit more white down there to correct that area. you have any questions, you can leave those down below in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. I'm usually rather quick about that, unless I'm painting or something like that, and then I can't get to my phone right away. But typically I get back pretty quickly. I'm gonna do a couple more things here. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit to my tips here on my flowers. All of the artwork you see me complete here or create on my channel is always up for sale, unless it's something I'm doing for a client that's already spoken for. But you can always go to my website if you're interested to find something over there, or if there's something you saw that you would like in a different color, something like that. You can always shoot me an email. I have my email and my website information down in the description box for you as well. My embellished pours have been extremely popular lately. I think I'm gonna go ahead and embellish this clock. The cell activator worked very nice. This is really pretty right here. These multicolored cells right here. Really pretty. Okay guys, so that's it. Let me bring you in for a close. I think you're gonna like this. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Lots of pretty lacing, lots of pretty cells. I like the way these colors came out. I'm actually going to take my phone down out of this holder and give you a better close-up. This is the overview shot. Obviously, the clock hands will go in the center where the hole is, and there's a clock mechanism that is going to go on the back of this once this is all dried and completed. I went ahead and added a few dots to the center of my flowers just for a little more embellishing. I actually am going to let this dry, and like I said, I'm going to probably embellish this further. We'll see how it turns out. If I get that completed before June 20th, when the collaboration is due, I can go ahead and include a picture of that as well in this video. But here's a close-up, very beautiful lacing and cells, and tons of pretty iridescence from the gold and the Pebeo iridescent blue green paint. Absolutely love the way this came out. The colors look phenomenal together. It's so pretty in person. So there we have it. Thank you for joining me. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and please remember to go over and watch the other artist videos with this collaboration. All that information is down in the description box for you. Thank you. We'll see you again soon. Bye.